The day begins with a familiar sound, a familiar motion. It's easy to see this repetition as a cage, a sign that today will be just like yesterday. We often believe that for a day to be meaningful, it must be extraordinary, filled with novelty and grand events. We chase mountaintop experiences, forgetting the quiet beauty of the path we walk every single day. But what if we've been looking in the wrong place? What if the foundation of a meaningful life isn't built on escaping our routine, but on embracing it? Routine does not remove meaning. It creates the space for it. Think of it as the steady rhythm of a song. It's the consistent beat that allows the melody to soar. Your morning coffee, the walk to the station, the first email of the day. These aren't obstacles to a meaningful life. They are the life itself. They are the steady, reliable moments that ground us, giving us a stable platform from which we can notice the world around us with greater clarity and intention. When we move through our day on autopilot, the hours can blur into an indistinct haze. The commute feels like lost time. The tasks feel like a checklist to be conquered. We see the pattern, but we miss the texture. Even repetitive days, however, contain hidden value. The world doesn't stop being beautiful or interesting just because our path through it is familiar. The value isn't in changing the path, but in changing how we walk it. It's in lifting our gaze from our feet and truly seeing what's around us. Meaning lives inside this ordinary rhythm. It's found in the small pockets of connection, in the quiet satisfaction of a problem solved. It's in the warmth of the sun on your face during a lunch break, a shared smile with a stranger, the comforting taste of a familiar meal. These moments are the subtle notes that enrich the melody of our day. They are always there, waiting to be noticed. The challenge isn't to create more meaning, but to become more aware of the meaning that already exists, woven into the very fabric of our daily existence. So today, don't wait for a grand event to feel something. Don't dismiss the ordinary. Instead, set a simple intention. Find one meaningful moment, just one. It could be the feeling of accomplishment after finishing a small task, a moment of gratitude for your body as you walk, or the simple pleasure of listening to a favorite song. Anchor yourself in that single, ordinary, beautiful moment. Acknowledge it. Let it fill you, because a day full of noticed moments becomes a life full of meaning. Find one meaningful moment today.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.